Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about one of the toughest, strongest, and most fascinating animals in the wild buffalo. Don't be fooled by their calm look while wallowing in the mud. These animals have plenty of surprising facts you may not know. Let's dive in. The wild buffalo, also known as the Asian wild buffalo, is one of the largest members of the Bovidae family. Imagine this. Their body weight can reach over 1 ton, and their horns can grow up to 2 meters long. Those massive horns make them look fierce and serve as their main weapon for survival in the wild. Here's another fun fact. Wild buffalo are true mud lovers. They can spend hours wallowing, not just for fun, but also to protect their skin from insect bites and to keep their body cool under the hot tropical sun. Even though they may look gentle, never underestimate their temperament. Wild buffalo are known to be highly protective, especially of their young. When they feel threatened, they can become extremely aggressive and charge with full force. No wonder even big predators like tigers think twice before attacking them. What's more fascinating? Wild buffalo play a vital role in their ecosystem. When they wallow or move in large herds, the soil and mud they disturb allow new seeds to sprout. In other words, wild buffalo are the forest's natural gardeners, helping grasslands and forests regenerate. Sadly, their population is declining due to habitat loss and hunting. Today, they are listed as an endangered species. Protecting the wild buffalo also means protecting the balance of the environment they live in. So, those were some unique facts about the wild buffalo, an animal that's strong, resilient, and crucial for nature. Hopefully, after watching this, we'll all feel more respect and care for this amazing creature.